Hello friends, on today's video, I'll be showing you how to trim your natural hair. Before we begin, make sure you have sharp shear scissors, 2 combs, one for combing through your hair and the other one for guiding you through the trim. Start by sectioning your hair into 4 parts. This guides you when trimming the hair. I normally prefer dividing the section into smaller sections. It is much easier. Take the small section, then comb it through, then use the radial comb to help you align the split ends that need to be cut. This comb guides you not to cut unnecessary hair. Always make sure that when you're trimming your hair, you are in the right state of mind, something that you won't regret afterwards. As for me, I am trimming my hair as I'm listening to gospel music. There's so many benefits of trimming your hair. For instance, it prevents split ends, promotes healthy growth. By this I mean it retains length by preventing breakage and thinning ends. And lastly, it improves your hair appearance. Be careful not to over-trim your hair. Other than that, enjoy your trimming session as you're watching this tutorial.